Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I know this video might be a little bit controversial, so before I get started, if you drive for Uber, if you drive for Lyft, if you want to increase in pay, if you want more benefits, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos on my channel. Hello, my name is Dylan. Nice to meet you. You know, a little virtual handshake here. Yes, even all my haters watching. Nice to meet you. Maybe one day we'll meet in person. So I don't know if you guys have heard, but Uber, basically quick debrief. Uber and Lyft is kind of underway for becoming an employee company for all their drivers in California. Basically, California Assembly passed a bill to make Uber and Lyft drivers, you and me, employees, not independent contractors, working on a W-2 rather than 1099. Basically, California realized that, you know, now with over 3 million drivers in the United States, California is the biggest market with LA and San Francisco, and drivers need benefits. Right to organize, which is basically union status. 3 is a set minimum wage, which right now, there's none of those 3. You know, our healthcare system doesn't really work out for freelancers, for insurance companies and pharmaceutical companies. There's so many factors that go into it, but basically, if you're not an employee, you kind of get screwed because you're not getting like good benefits to go to the doctor and seek good healthcare. Or if you do, you're gonna go into crazy amounts of debt. So basically, Uber responded to that and said, hey guys, we don't want our drivers to become employees. Why? Because we probably can't afford them. And our app business, they basically said it doesn't work with our business model, meaning they can't provide health care to everyone. You know, it's just too much money. There's more than that too. It's also like flexibility, drivers being able to use this as a side hustle, drive for a short amount of time, not stuck on the platform. And also now they're offering incentives if we sign this petition to increase the pay and have a set wage, and then also, yeah, basically increase the pay. That's pretty much what they did. So I got this email the other day. I haven't signed it yet, but it says Uber. This is from Uber. It says, Dylan, we need your help. So I like that they used my personal name. Then they said, tell lawmakers to protect driver flexibility. If they didn't use my name, I probably wouldn't sign this, but you know, they did personalize it, and they even used my name right here. Recent changes to California law could threaten your access to flexible work with Uber. Unless lawmakers take action now to modernize the law, you could lose your ability to work with multiple apps and control when and where you drive. We know that flexibility is important to you. Yes, it is. And we're working to protect it while also improving the driver experience. Uber and Lyft are coming together to call on lawmakers to support a better path for rideshare drivers. We're advocating for rules that could improve earnings. Great, I like that. Expand driver benefits, I do like that. And create an association to represent drivers. I will be joining that as well. Your voice is missing from this conversation. Lawmakers need to hear what is important to you. Yes, I will join the table. I'm joining the table. If you want to join the table with me, you can sign this with me. If you don't want to, you don't need to sign it. You know, don't worry. There's already several other maybe not hundreds, because this is just California. There's already several other thousands of drivers already signed this. So I'm gonna join. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You know, don't worry. There's already so many other people doing it. If you don't do it, they probably won't even notice. But if you do, you know, you can do it too. I want to join the table. I'm saying yes, I want an increase in pay. Why not? I like money. That's why I signed up, right? As you can see here, tap below to make your voice heard. All right, I'm gonna tap below and Look at this fancy little website. Tell the California legislature to protect rideshare and driver flexibility. Recent changes to California law could threaten your act. Okay, I just read that. Pretty much, yeah. And then here is the make your voice heard. I'm a constituent of yours that works regularly as a rideshare driver. Maybe I'll just say driver, because maybe I'll just say person. Because I don't really know what the constituent means, and I want to make sure I know all these. I choose to drive because I enjoy the ability to decide when and where I work. Most 9-to-5 jobs do not offer the opportunity to make your own hours. Well, obviously, if they're 9 to 5, and be your own boss. And I do not want to risk losing this control over my work. I support a new policy that improves ride sharing while also protecting my ability to work on my terms. And I hope that I can count on your support too. I also want more money and healthcare benefits. Guys, write whatever you want in here. You can change this. It did look like they misspelled that a couple words, so, you know, let me just change this so there's no typos, so they do know it's legit. All right, it looks like mine is all filled out. Add your story why you chose to work with Uber. Okay, I chose to work with Uber. This is hard to type with one hand, by the way. To pay off debt. That's literally why I signed up. Click here if you want to be more involved. Yes, I will click there to be more involved. Why? Because I also want to update you guys too. And boom. Let's see what it says. Big thumbs up. Oh, I like the emoji. Please encourage others to act by sharing on social media. Well, you know what? This is social media, right guys? So again, I'm not forcing you guys to sign it. I'm sharing my beliefs, or not my beliefs, but you know, my action of signing the petition. Sign it, but change the wording if you do sign it. If you don't want to sign it, don't sign it. Who cares? I do, but I'm not going to force you, right? I'm not your boss. You're your own boss, just like they said. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video on our channel. All right, guys, I will talk to y'all soon. Later.